And welcome back to another video. This is Crypto Coins, and in this video we're going to go over several new DAO projects. Now, I'm not a big fan of this big flood happening, but I do feel, since I am invested and I do cover a lot of DAO projects, or at least the ones I'm interested in, I think it's also fair for me to cover what is happening, because actually, even though I'm not interested in some of these might be winners. So I do want to share what is happening in the DAO community, my personal opinion, and just take a look at what's out there right now, what's happening, to get some perspective. So Hector DAO is one that I've been seeing pretty popular here. It looks like it's part of the Solana network, and I saw that you need a Binance chain, you need a Phantom wallet, and a series of other things. If we take a look at Hector DAO here, they currently paying out big APYs here, 322,000 APY. It has all the information here. Let's look at what they're doing. Let's build wealth. When you have paper hands, you'll sell too early. So just some basic terminology: diamond hands, smart hands, trying to educate those who are not familiar with these terms, which is everyone. So I guess they're just trying to say, don't be paper hands here. You need to be a diamond hands here. What is Hector DAO? Hector is a decentralized protocol based on the HEC token, collateralized and backed by the Hector DAO. HEC will be the reserve currency on Phantom. In order to maintain price stability, Hector will use the algorithmic reserve currency algorithm and will also be supported by other decentralized assets. How does it work? I'm not going to get into the nitty-gritty, but it's the same kind of obviously fork. Treasury, staking, rewards, APYs, and so on and so forth. So this is the APY they're giving. This is if you bond. There's a lot of stuff going on here. They have buy on Spooky Swap, buy on Spirit Swap, and I need to actualize myself a little bit better. This does look like a good exchange, and I just haven't been part or invested in this space. So Hector DAO, just want to bring it out there. Pretty popular, could be a winner. Let's take a look at the charts here for Hector DAO, and I'm gonna pull 30 days just to give some idea of the price appreciation here and to see what it's doing. So based on this chart here, we can see here it hit a low of around $32 on November 10th. Not sure when they came here into market, but I'm not gonna lie, this looks extremely healthy. It's been rallying. Looks like it's doing very well, holding above right now the $200 level, trading at 248. It did hit a high of around 350 or so, and as far as the chart go, it's looking pretty steady and healthy. So pretty surprising there for me. It looks like a line of support here at 200. So if it does stay 200, that would be a phenomenal sign there for the future of Hector DAO. Interesting. Maybe this is the next project. I need to do more research. So tables have turned here. I'm a little enticed. So based on my previous investments, I might rotate some money into this one. Don't know yet. Anything that I say in this video, take it for a grain of salt. It's just my opinion, and I'm just trying to pull back here and see the bigger picture. Okay, don't kill the messenger. Don't kill the messenger. I'm just here sharing information and bringing awareness. One of these might be a real winner. Let's go to the next one. Saw people also talking about Jiro DAO, jiro.money. Right off the bat, I'm not a fan of the website. It's not giving you that crazy APY information or enticing you anywhere. You launch the app, and let's see what happens here when you launch the app. And immediately it wants you to connect. So I still don't know what the APY is, and I need to connect here. Not digging this at all. Let's see here. Again, weak hands peg, diamond hands hold, smart hands hedge. What hands do you have? So I don't know if Jiro just copied Hector, or Hector copied Jiro. Everybody's copying each other. Currently built for the new financial system. We know the story, new faces, new money, blah, blah, blah. I still haven't seen what these APYs are. I don't know anything about it. Let's see how it works. No, I still don't see any numbers. Let's see, buy here again. It wants me to connect my wallet. Interesting. I don't know where you find your actual returns here to entice you to invest. Maybe I need to read up further into it, but it's pretty much hidden. You launch the app, it wants you to connect immediately and put money. Don't like it. Don't like it. Let's just take a look at the charts to see what it's doing, and maybe it proves me wrong. Let's pull it up here on CoinGecko. Let's look at the 30-day price here. And sure enough, this looks like a rug pull. So it hit a high in the past 35 days of 3,500, and now it's trading around $500. This one is done, guys. This one looks like it got smoked. I don't know what's going on here with Jiro. Maybe it comes back from the dead. I don't know. I don't like that there's no information and it immediately wants you to connect your wallet. So Jiro not looking too fantastic. Let's go to the next one. This one's pretty interesting. The only reason why I say that is because it has metaverse in it, so they're capitalizing on the metaverse, but they actually have a very nice website. A lot of information. It looks exactly like Olympus, obviously with a different concept, but same framework. And if you go to the dashboard, it gives you all the information just like Olympus. Looks very clean. They did a good job. They did a good job copying Olympus. So this looks very nice. I like it. Looks good. I like the name. It's intriguing. Have to read up on more on the treasury, the protocol. We know the story. We know how they are. And let's take a look at some price action here. Overall thoughts, this looks fairly new. It gives you the market cap here. Let's see the staking APY. It's giving you 1,000,000.5% APY. So great numbers there. We're all going to become trillionaires. Let's look at the charts. Let's see if I can pull this up here. Metaverse Pro. Let's just read up a little bit here. Metaverse Pro was created by 1xNM with enthusiastic assistance from members of the OHM community. Oh, okay, that's why they did a great job. So it comes from Olympus, or OMIs as they like to be called, as forks only help to hone and expand the experience they began and fostered. This is all thanks to Olympus DAO. Metaverse Pro is a BSC fork Olympus DAO. Indeed, it was the OM community that inspired us and encouraged us to take this step, with very solid code to back it up. So it looks like part of the team of Olympus DAO got smart and they say, you know what? We're gonna make our own here. And they did Metaverse Pro. So looks very interesting. I'm interested to see where this goes. Each meta is backed by $1. Since Metaverse Pro is largely based on Olympus DAO, the lion's share of our smart contracts have already been tried and true, with the exception of some improvement meta made to bonds, protocol current version, and all other facets of the smart contract remain. Branding. So maybe this is not out yet. What is Metaverse Pro? A virtual liquidity game, a digital revolution. We are still searching for a tangible answer to that question. So they're still building it. Okay, there we go. How do we even know that the world that we currently inhabit is in a simulation? But one thing's for sure is that regardless of where we currently exist, people all have the same needs and desires. And the blockchain is already beginning to construct the infrastructure for burgeoning new reality, our identities. Okay, I'm not gonna keep going here. So it's literally Meta, just like Facebook's Meta. Let's see if I can find it somewhere in CoinGecko. Maybe it's not out yet. I don't know. Unless it's this one. Oh, here it is. Metaverse Pro. Let's take a look at Metaverse Pro for the past month. So it looks like it just debuted here today. This is brand new. This looks brand new. Okay, this is brand new, guys. So here's a chance for a brand new project. Metaverse Pro. I'm intrigued right now. I'm enticed. This is brand new. Looks like you need to go to the Binance chain and buy it. There's a lot of talk about it. I don't see it trending yet, and it's currently at 222. So I might actually put some money into this one. This is brand new. I don't know. Here you go, guys. So this is the problem. You know, our head starts spinning. Everything looks fantastic, and there's always new projects. Now, if I do something like this, I need to commit to it and and put my investment on there and don't touch it. This looks very interesting because it's new. It's now I know why they brought it up to my attention. And thank you, the Discord, for bringing this one to my attention. Thank you for that, guys. I wouldn't have known about this one. Let's go to the next one. I like it. Hector DAO looks interesting. Looks a little bit more mature. Metaverse Pro. It has a name. It has a team. It has the infrastructure. Looks really good. It's brand new. All right, tables have turned. Let's go to the next one. Invictus. So Invictus. And I think this is Solana's first DAO here. So not much to see here. It gives you the information to stake. Let's take a look here. In the past 30 days for Invictus, actually garnering some good attention. It's currently trading at $1,200. It hit a high above $1,300 here at $1,348. And it's been holding pretty nicely above $1,000. Not too shabby, Invictus. Not too shabby. And holding nicely too. So pretty good there out of Invictus. And Hector looking good. So as of now, Hector looks strong, Invictus looks strong, and Metaverse Pro looks like the new opportunity. Let's go to the next one here. Another one that the community brought up to my attention was Rome DAO. Rome DAO. So this looks like a brand new DAO that has not been released yet. So it looks like it's an RPG experience with campaigns. It's going to be a game apparently, and they're going to have an interactive game. So if we click on their website, 4 days ago, this was released. Rome DAO Whitelist Distribution Guide. Quick walkthrough for understanding how to participate in the token distribution. This is a step-by-step guide with specific instructions. Okay, so it gives you here the whitelist. Interesting. The site looks cool. It's gamified. It's gonna have guilds apparently of some sort. Roma DAO is governed by a house and their representatives follow their acta diurna on Twitter. I don't know what that means. Sorry if I'm butchering that. So they still haven't set up here, and this is just giving you a little sneak peek. So maybe one to consider here for the future. Don't know much about it. Also, we have Spartacus. So Olympus, we're going into Greek mythology and Roman heroes as well. So we're going back in time here, and now we have Spartacus. Spartacus is another one that looks like it's on phase 1, the rise of the glorious gladiator. So not sure when this is released. I couldn't find another website. Maybe you can buy it already. I don't think it's launched, but Spartacus, another one people are talking about. So far, liking Metaverse Pro. I might do something about that, and make sure to stay tuned, and I'll give you guys updates on that. Now let's get to the comedic part of these DAO projects. This is Snowdog. If you guys haven't heard of it, it was debuted a few days ago, and they said they're gonna burn this token in like 7 days of its debut. And it was giving a ridiculous APY that went from screen to screen. And if we look at the price, complete rug pull, it debuted at around $6,000. It's now trading at $1,600, and within 24 hours, it's pretty much lost all its value. So it's giving you this ridiculous APY. It's telling you what it's doing here. And this is Shitcoin Central here, another AVAX DAO project entering. Now, I don't know if any of these are going to be winners in the future, but definitely Shitcoin Valley here. And that is what's going on with Snowdog. Let's go to the next one. I threw this one, Dre Protocol. Somehow I found this. I wasn't looking for it, clearly. And I play this video. This is one boomer Olympus DAO fork. Jesus. I played the video. They have like a movie trailer voiceover. The video is just boomerish. And totally don't trust this. I don't know. If this is anything in the future, I don't even know why I'm living life. My world is upside down. And this is from the Fair Fork Foundation. So it's telling you everything that they are and that they're not. And in my book, it's telling you everything that they are going to do. And what they're showing you is what they're not. I don't know. It's telling you here. It's telling you the team developers are from Google, a Harvard professor, and a viral marketing expert. Okay, I'm sold. And then in the video, it tells you how you don't want to be investing from the big man from Wall Street. And somehow they have some big names here. So if you're really like indie DAO, trying to make this community for the people, you don't throw these kind of names like that, in my opinion. I could be completely wrong. But this was boomerific. Not even going to play the video. Not going to promote this. And not interested here. But who knows? Hey, if J Protocol is the future, I don't know what my life's about. And then we also have Chronos, another one here, Chronos. Let's enter the app. It's currently giving you a 201 million APY. I don't know much about this. I don't know where you buy it. And let's go to their documents here. Chronos DAO is the first decentralized reserve currency protocol available on the Claim chain based on the Chrono token. I don't know what Claim chain is, so this is new to me. And I'm just sharing here with you guys. If you guys are familiar with these networks, feel free to comment down below. And if things really interest me, I'll dive further into it and maybe do some investments. But yeah, Chronos DAO, another one of these, Olympic forks, just really, trying to create some traction here. So let's see if I can find it here and see what Chronos is doing. CRNO. So I couldn't find the symbol or find out a market cap for some history here. See anywhere where I can pull the history of this price. So not interested. Looks like another rug pull. And I'm sharing with you guys all of these projects just to give you perspective. Don't just go in there tripping over yourself trying to get into these projects. I just went over a few. I mean, there's tens and hundreds of DAO projects that I get flooded with all the time like this. So overall, what am I going to do about this? I might do some Metaverse Pro. So stay tuned for that. I might do something about it today and liquidate some of my Wonderland. So might do that. Stay tuned for that. And that is what's going on in the world of DAO. So a lot going on. Don't be fooled by all these projects. You're going to go broke if you want to get into all of them. This is why it's important to understand risk and just allocate a certain amount of money and concentrate in a few positions that you believe in. Read through the papers, read through the team, and try to figure it out. Try to really have some conviction and stick it through. So that's going to do it for this video. Don't kill the messenger. This was just my due diligence here. Mostly, I wish I didn't even bring up to your attention. So just take this as a grain of salt. But like always, you will see where I actually feel comfortable putting my personal money. You will see that in this channel. And as I was editing this video, I decided, you know what? Screw it. I pulled the trigger. I put $1,000 into Metaverse Pro. So you want to make sure you like and subscribe to these videos. I'm going to have a full breakdown of what happened today when I bought Metaverse Pro. And I did open a position there. I'm going to be tracking Metaverse Pro. It's brand new. And I think it's a good opportunity. A lot of potential for a 10 to 100x return there. I'm gonna have a breakdown, just my thoughts on why I jumped on this deal. Make sure to stay tuned for that tomorrow. I'll be releasing that video tomorrow. So I just wanted to say that as I was editing this video. So thank you very much, guys. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. Check out the links under the description. The free Discord. Join the free Discord community. Also, if this content is of any value, support this free content. Join my Patreon. I appreciate it, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.